Hey, is Bitwarden not autofilling your passwords? Yeah, like you click a login field and nothing happens. Don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix that. All right, first, open your Bitwarden extension and go into Settings. Make sure Autofill is actually turned on. Next, try using the Autofill shortcut. Sometimes it won't fill automatically, but the shortcut works perfectly. Just press Ctrl, Shift, and L. And yeah, it should fill your saved login instantly. If nothing fills, make sure your login is actually saved in Bitwarden. I mean, sounds obvious, but yeah, it happens. Okay, this one's important. The website URL must match your saved login. If it's different, like .com versus .net, Bitwarden won't autofill, so just edit the entry and fix the URL. Also, make sure Bitwarden has permission to run on the site. Set it to allow on all sites so it can detect login fields properly. Another thing, other password managers can block autofill. So yeah, disable any other similar extensions. And if it's still not working, update or reinstall Bitwarden. I mean, this usually fixes most bugs. And yeah, that's it. Your autofill should be working again now. Try those steps and you'll be logging in way faster. All right, so